Hi, this is Chris from simplemaps.com, and I'm going to show you how you can customize one of our maps using our online tool. First, go to simplemaps.com, choose the map that you want to customize. We're going to use the USA map in this example, and then click the Customize Online button. And this is going to bring up the tool. Before we get started, go ahead and click the green Save button. And this saves your map to a unique URL. You can write down this URL, come back later, and continue to make changes. Okay. We're going to click on the States tab, and there's two things you need to know when you're customizing the map. This first row represents the defaults. So we can change the default color to green. We can either use HTML color codes or words like green, and we're going to change the hover color to dark green. And you can see these changes are instantly saved and reflected on the map. There's no need to keep clicking a Save button. All right, and then we can overwrite any of these properties for a specific state. So for example, we can make Florida red with a hover color of dark red. There you go. You could also change the description, the URL, hide a state, make it inactive, and make it zoomable or not zoomable. Right now, all the states are zoomable. So if we click on a state, we zoom in. You may want to add some locations to your map, and you can easily add locations. All you need is an address or a zip code or just the name of the city. So for example, we can add New York City, or we can add a zip code. You just add all of your addresses and click the import button, and those locations will appear on the map. Similar to before, you can style any of these locations using defaults. So we can make all of our locations pink. We can change their description, and we can give them a URL when they're clicked upon. We have some default settings here you can change. You could change the background. Right now it's transparent, but we could make it gray and make it not transparent. Here you could change the width of the map, change the color of the labels. There's lots of options. You may want to create a region on the map for zooming or because you have sales regions. And to do that, it's very easy. We just add a region name, and then we add states using their IDs. So to make a region in the Northwest, we just would add Idaho, Washington, Oregon, and instantly these changes are reflected on the map. We have a region in the Northwest that we can zoom in on. You could give it a unique description, a URL, different color, if you like. You may want to visualize data. If not, that's okay. We can just skip this step. If you're interested in this, there's some more details in the documentation. Finally, all the changes we're making are being saved to a mapdata.javascript file. So just a file that's containing in text all of our changes. So if you want to make some advanced edits, you can make changes here. So for example, we can see the change we made to the states, making them all green, is stored in the state color field. So if we switch from green, and let's go back to purple, click the Save button, our map now becomes purple. And if we were to go back to the States tab, we can see that the spreadsheet has also been changed to reflect what's in our code. All right, when you're all done, you can purchase a map license, you download the map, and follow our step-by-step instructions to install it. Thanks, and shoot us an email if you have any questions.